So by the title of this video, you can obviously see that I'm going to be making an iced coffee. Pretty self-explanatory. I shouldn't be drinking this because it's 7 o'clock at night and iced coffee gets me real hype. But I mean, what is there to lose? I loved iced coffee. I could go for it any day, any time of the day, whatever. I love it. Hands down the best drink ever in my opinion. I don't know, I just need an excuse to make it, so here I am. Since it's an iced coffee, I need one of these drinks. Fill this up with ice and then I'll be back. As you can see, I filled it to the top because my coffee brews hot and then it like cools down in the ice. So I fill it up to the very top just to make sure it cools down. I'm going to be using the Pacific Bold Dark Roast Coffee. And I do make mine in a Keurig. If any of you guys are wondering, I don't have like a fancy espresso machine. Basically, I just pressed the iced option. Oh shoot. That could have been really bad. While it's brewing, I'm going to get my French vanilla creamer. This is my favorite stuff, hence why we have a giant thing of it. Now we just wait. I also need some energy because I kind of have to like finish, well I don't have to finish, but I have to write like an essay tonight. So this is actually going to be good. That's the sound you want to hear, guys. Okay, guys, literally watch this. It's gonna be so satisfying. My brain is triggered. You don't have to make your iced coffees this way, but you see, it's my only option, so I mean, what else can I do? Usually when it's like this tannish color, that's how you know you added the right amount of everything. Let's try it. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is like almost better than my like normal Starbucks drink that I usually get. But literally like in the summertime, like if you don't want to drive anywhere or you don't have money, like DIY Starbucks iced coffee, like where has this been my whole life? I just experienced it like a couple months ago and I am very sad about that. Not sure how I lived and how my well-being was, but now it is back up to normal. You know what? It's thriving right now. My well-being is higher than it's ever been, okay? I need to work on my coffee drink cup game because this is pretty weak right now and I don't really have any more, so that's kind of depressing. We're gonna go buy some together in a video sometime, okay? Alright, so stay tuned for my next video. You're not gonna want to miss it. Hope you enjoyed. Do all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe, whatever. Bye.